chewy tuna with kalamansi. First time namin nabili at nakita, yan. Now let us try it with one of my favorite dish, pasta. It says here it has omega-3, so it means it's good for the heart. Stay tuned! What's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now let's boil 4 cups of water with 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add the pasta to the boiling water. Cook it according to package instructions. Look, it's already cooked. Now let's just drain it well and set aside. In a pan, put olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use any kind of cooking oil. Make sure to put enough oil to the pan. Look, now it's hot. Then add the garlic. Wait until the garlic turns brown. Ta-da! It's brown already! It's time to add the century tuna. Then mix it with the garlic. Let us add ground pepper, and salt to taste. Now let's add a dried basil and mix well. Don't worry guys, the list of ingredients is at the end of the video. Let us put the pasta in and toss well. Guys, simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, if you don't have dried basil, you can use any herb, like parsley or celery. It's cooked already! You can add grated cheese as toppings too. O diba? It is quick and easy to prepare. It's taste test time! Sarap! Lasang-lasang kalamansi. So you don't need to add kalamansi anymore. Guys, try nyo to. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!